Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an Edifier Hecate G33BT wireless Bluetooth gaming headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this headset is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your device, if it keeps disconnecting, if the microphone's not working, anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get these headphones back to the way they were when they were new coming out of the box, so you can set them up new. We can just delete everything off of them. It's really easy to do. So all we need to do is with the headset powered off, we're just going to come in and press and hold the G button for 10 seconds. And basically while we're holding it, we're going to keep an eye on this little indicator light here. And when this flashes blue 6 times quickly, that means that the settings have been restored. You can release the button and then just go ahead and set these headphones up, turn them on and set them up like they're just coming out of the box new.